These strong linen look window draperies shouldn't have a sheen or shiny end. Add depth and class to beautify. There are numerous items accessible to curtains for patio doors, each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best curtains for patio doors from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. 𝐂𝐡𝐞𝐤 𝐏𝐫𝐢𝐜𝐬 Blackout Patio Sliding Door Curtain. The blackout curtains cloth is tremendous, gentle and heavy progressive triple weave polyester cloth. Similar materials again as of entrance makes it seem extra elegant. The 14 sliver grommets prime provides a contemporary contact and straightforward hanging. These additional huge curtains are huge, sufficient to masking sliding door completely. Apart from, the curtain panel helps your patio door to dam out most of sunshine and UV ray, excessive efficiency on thermal insulating, noise decreasing and privateness defending. Triple weave blackout cloth balances room temperature by insulating towards summertime warmth and winter chill, decreasing aircon prices. Defend your furnishings, flooring and artwork from the ravages of the solar. The patio door drapes pays for themselves off over time. Good high-quality ending will face up to years of use. Mechanically cleanable and wash the water temperature under 86 Fahrenheit. Delicate detergent, no bleaching. Low temperature ironing. Don't use sharp issues scratching curtains. Number 2. Natural sliding door curtain. Stable linen semi-sheer curtains will definitely brighten up and improve your own home decor for free of charge. Excellent for front room, bedroom, household room, eating room, kitchen, farmhouse, studio, children room. 100 inches WX 84 inches divided by panel, 1 panel. Pure linen curtains. Use this sliding door curtain, patio door panel, additional huge window curtain drapes or room divider. The curtains supply nice sturdiness, mechanically cleanable in chilly water, tumble dry low, fast iron or steam clear at low temperature settings. Be at liberty to contact us for any product downside. We will definitely reply inside 12 hours. These thick and heavy-duty semi-sheer curtains give the panel a pleasant drop and an opulent textured look. Apart from, our curtain is eco-friendly and secure to folks with the brand new print know-how. 8 silver gray grommets match any normal or ornamental curtain rods as much as 1.5 inches in diameter. Straightforward and handy to hold. These printing window curtains are excellent for front room, bedroom, kitchen, porch, even outside place. Number 3. White sliding door curtains. 1 panel per package deal. And 100 inches huge blackout curtains have 16 sliver grommets with 1.6 inches diameter. 50 inches huge blackout curtains have 8 sliver grommets with 1.6 inches diameter. Our burlap curtains guarantee a very darkish room, isolate noise and shield privateness. They maintain warmth indoors in winter and discharge warmth in summertime, thereby decreasing cooling and heating prices, whereas defending your furnishings, flooring and artwork from the solar harm. Appropriate for evening shift staff, lunch breaks, individuals who cannot sleep as a consequence of noise. Direct daylight penetrate the home windows within the bedroom. Blackout curtains present one of the best sleeping atmosphere by mechanically dimming and decreasing noise ranges. Notice, the darker the color, the stronger the sunshine discount capacity. Imitation linen texture, high-quality materials make the curtains extra sturdy and longer lasting. The burlap impact will carry extra retro and chic look to your home windows and rooms. Number 4. 100% blackout patio door curtain. Double layers design. Blocks 100% of sunshine. Nice for daytime sleepers, kids' rooms, and nurseries. Save on vitality prices with the progressive thermal liner that's designed to dam out chilly winter drafts and take in harsh, uncomfortable summertime warmth. Linen textured cloth seems elegant and costlier. The right color assists you to discover the proper match to your already current decor. Mechanically cleanable in chilly water. Use solely non-chlorine bleach when wanted. Tumble dry low or grasp as much as dry. Low temperature ironing. Panel per package deal. 50 inches broad has 8 sliver grommets with 1.6 inches diameter. 100 inches broad has 16 sliver grommets with 1.6 inches diameter. Matches for all normal curtain rods. Number 5. Drift Away Ada Room Divider Curtain. Easy however versatile. Additional huge width be positioned as closet curtain to maintain your garments contemporary and protects them from mud and moisture. Be used as blackout curtain for patio door or French sliding glass door to 𝐂𝐡𝐞𝐤. Appropriate for room partition and administration, shall be a sensible and cheap method of reinventing your own home. Excellent for shared bedroom, front room, children rooms, condominium or any room wants to repair area downside. One room divider curtain panel measuring 9 feet huge by 7 feet tall. Every panel has 16 silver grommets. Match properly with normal or ornamental curtain rods. One room divider curtain panel measuring 9 feet huge by 7 feet tall. Every panel has 16 silver grommets. Match properly with normal or ornamental curtain rods. Traditional retro buffalo test plaid patterns printed on linen textured materials brings you trendy farmhouse really feel. Updates the look of your own home immediately. Not like different traditional room divider curtain, our vivid curtain decorates your home windows and rooms with new nice impact. We'll mix with and complement all your current decor. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.